Hello guys, and welcome back to another Hunters Gathering video. I've got a different face on today. It's me, Tristan. George isn't here today, so I'll be taking over. We have a lot of products to talk about. It's been a few months since the last Hunters Gathering video, and I know you guys have been waiting eagerly for these new parts to come through. So let's run through all the parts that we've got today. So let's talk about the first product. We have it in front of me here. So this is the new side step variant we have. As you guys know, we already do the black plane, which is obviously the same gloss black metal around there with the rubber plane side step, actually similar to the OEM genuine ones, just without the Defender logo. We also do the Union Jack, similar, but with obviously Union Jack on the tread plate. We did have a checker plate in a plastic, which was very popular with avid off-road fans, and there was sort of an in-between that wanted the checker plate theme, but didn't exactly like the plasticky sort of feel of the other side steps. So we've sort of combined the two, and we've gone for a gloss black metal checker plate side step, and I think this is going to be very popular, especially with everyone that gets the checker plate kits. Obviously we do I think it's 9-piece checker plate kit for the whole car, so you've obviously got the rear tail lamps, the sides of the cars, the bonnet inserts that are standard on the car, and I think these are just gonna really top the car off, and they're a must-have for the car. I think side steps are probably one of our most popular things we fit on cars daily. That and mud flaps. A lot of you guys come in because you've spec'd it on the car and Land Rover just don't fit them, or they take a while to fit. And these are obviously a lot cheaper than the genuine ones. I mean, you could pick up 3 sets for the price of a genuine set, so it's just a no-brainer. These are obviously made by us, so we fit these day in, day out. We know basically what is needed to make a good side step. These are made to be chip resistant, to protect them from any damage when on the car. And we also will be doing a fitment video for this side step, because it is slightly different. We do fit these slightly different to the instructions for the genuine ones. As we fit these all the time, this fitment video is just basically going to be a better way to do it when you're fitting these. So that will be up soon, guys. And yeah, just keep an eye out for that on our fitment videos. And these are just a perfect little product to add to our side step range. And this is something that I want to speak to you guys about. It's quite a popular customization option that a lot of people do. It's the extended wheel arches. Now, we've been doing these for several years now, basically trying to find the best method of doing this. Different moldings we've been designing, different painting techniques, even down to what premium tape to be using, as well as the adhesive. And I can happily say that we are the best, if not one of the best, in the Defender arches market for fitting them. And then the actual arch themselves, obviously, I don't think you can get a better arch on the market. And now we have, well, we've had a demand for a long time for North American spec ones. Obviously these are slightly different to the ones we already have, being obviously on the fronts we have the reflector integrated into that, as well as on the rears. And these are just plug and play, so you obviously get the wires that plug straight into the car. And yeah, these are basically exactly the same as our ones we have already. It's just for you guys that I know you've been wanting them from North America. Now we have these for you guys as well. I do know that we only have the 110s in at the moment, but we are working on the 130, so stay with us for that. They are in the process, so it's not long now that you have to wait if you have a 130. If you are planning to buy these and get them fitted elsewhere and not by our specialists here, please do try find a specialist that maybe has fitted them before in the past, because We do not want you to get the headache of them not being fitted properly and having to go through the method of taking them off and refitting, because we've done it a few times before with customers that have had it fitted elsewhere or tried to fit them themselves and ended up coming back to us anyway. And you know what they say, if you're buying cheap, you have to buy twice. So we don't want you guys to go through that. So make sure that you're sort of comfortable with the people that are fitting them, and yeah, you should have no issues with them. Our next product is a variant of something that you hopefully have already seen come out, and that is our LED side vents. Very popular product with our Hunters LED light in there. I'm going to take this off, which I might get in trouble for, but I feel like you need to see the full gloss black. Oh, it's ruined it. It's got caught on a clip. Screw that. Right. So we have the Union Jack now. We understand that a lot of you guys don't like having the branding across your car, which is understandable, as much as Hunters are the best Defender brand in the market. We understand that a lot of you guys don't want loads of branding on the car. So we've obviously introduced the Union Jack into the LED light, and this just, yeah, I think it's a really nice touch, especially if you've got a lot of Union Jack accents around the car. Just finishes off really nicely. There is already obviously a fitment video for the Hunters ones, and these fit exactly the same. So if you want to see how they fit, just click the link up there. And yeah, they're pretty easy to fit. It's just the wiring can be a little bit complicated if you haven't done much wiring before, but follow the video and you should be absolutely fine. Now these have been absolutely flying off the shelf, the Hunters ones anyway, and I assume these will do the exact same, so make sure you are quick to buy these, because I don't think they'll be in stock for too long. So yeah, make sure you buy these quick, because these are going to fly off the shelf just as quick as our Hunter one. If you guys don't already know, we are the only UK distributor of PLUMB, and we love the products. They've had a lot of new products come through, and obviously we've been stocking up of them. One of the new PLUMB products is the side vents. Really nice dry carbon. Like the theme of PLUMB is their dry carbon, and I absolutely love it. This has clips just like the standard ones and our ones, as well as some tape just to fully secure it on. These are a lovely bit of kit, actually vented as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. We'll see that. We'll do some close-ups of the vents in these, but these look really, really nice. And if you've already got a PLUMB build, which we have recently done on the video of Gone Run a Stone, if you click on that link up there, you can watch that. And to be honest, once you start with the PLUMB products, you can't stop, and you end up getting the whole kit, because these are just awesome bits of kit. We have the new exhaust tips. These are specifically for P400, and obviously these are the tips as well as an exhaust box cover, I should say. Really, really nice product. Again, shame it is specifically for P400, but because it's the same with our exhaust tips, because of the shape of the exhaust and the circumference of it, they are very specific to models, and obviously the 3 litre P400, these only fit. So sorry if you don't have a P400, I'm sure they'll be making some more for other models soon, so just keep an eye out for them. We also have the M1 center console, another awesome product we've talked about in a previous Hunters gathering. We also do roof racks, another awesome product, also obviously reduced wind noise on them compared to the normal Expedition roof racks. And things on the way, we have stuff like the new PLUMB steering wheel insert, and we also have the side box that they've recently released, also on its way. So stay tuned for them, because they will be coming to us, and we're the only UK distributor for them products. So yeah, make sure you order them for us because you'll be getting them at the best price and won't be having to pay all that extra for shipping. New V2 toe loops. So these are CNC cut and they're made out of a strong magnesium alloy. These have a slightly, obviously different finish. Being CNC cut and a different metal, we're able to get a nice smooth finish on them, and they come off more of a satin finish. Obviously we do them in different colors, so we've got one red here and another black. So a lot of you guys go for like PPF wraps in the satin, and I think these would complement that really well. Instead of having to have a gloss bit on the car, these would just fit your build very well. Just another option for you guys when speccing up your car. So guys, we've been waiting eagerly for this fridge to come out of back order from Land Rover, and we finally have some. And when I say some, I mean we have about 4. So if you really want one of these, I would be quick because they're going to go very quickly. And we will be doing a fitment video on these soon, so you guys know how to fit them. And the good news is with the fitment on these is they're a plug and play. You don't need to activate anything. It is pretty straightforward. So there will be a fitment video on that. So just make sure you keep an eye out for when that comes out, and we'll leave a link to that in the description of this product on the website. So if you want to keep your snacks and drinks cool, and maybe you've spec'd the car up and it didn't come with the fridge like you ordered, now's your chance to have that option. I mean, it should be a must on these cars, but Land Rover. If you do want this product, get in quick, and obviously all the products will be in the description of this video, so make sure you click the link to that, and you can obviously buy it. It will take you straight to the website where the product is, and you can buy it from there. There is no activation required, so that is good news for you guys at home. It's pretty straightforward to fit. Obviously you just have to wait to the fitment video on how to do that. But obviously summer's here, so it's good timing. You can get your drinks and your snacks cool in your travels, so perfect timing for these to come back in stock. Obviously all of our retrofits are genuine parts, so come with the genuine Land Rover warranty, 1 year. Yeah, so best time to get these in, and you're gonna have to be quick because we've only got 4 of them, so. Now I've saved the best 2 products till last in my opinion, and this is our very own V2 gloss black spoiler. This is basically an OEM looking spoiler, and we've put a lot of time and effort into designing this. And to be honest, I think there's others on the market, but nothing compares to the fit on this. They're just so flush to the body. There is a fitment video on this, which I have done, and the link is up there. So do check that out on how to fit them, because you'd be surprised how easy it is to fit. I know our V1 spoilers are very easy to fit on. Obviously they use tape to fit on. No tape is required on this. All like the same clips as your rear panel. You swap over the brake light onto this one, and oh, God, this looks good. I think these are going to be so popular, just like our V1s. They're going to be on every single car because of how OEM the spoiler looks on the car. So you guys are going to love these, because I mean I do, and these are just amazing products. So make sure you buy them quick because they're going to fly off the shelf. Last but not least, this is one of my favorite products that we're bringing out to you guys, and it is the dry carbon fiber full interior kit for the 110 and the 130. So this kit obviously replaces, I think it's 15 different panels and components. So you're getting the whole of your interior changed completely. It will look like a brand new inside, and we already offered the genuine satin black for like off the V8s. And we also have the dark grey, and this is another option for you guys that love carbon, all you carbon lovers. And with the dry carbon satin sort of finish, it just looks so nice. We are fitting this soon to a car. There will be a video coming up soon on that, but these are right hand drive and left hand drive, so don't worry, we are thinking about you guys that aren't in the UK. Can get these for left hand drive if you need, and they are going to look so good in your car. especially if you've got a V8 and you've already got the satin black and you just think it's missing something, try these dry carbon fibre interior kit and you won't be disappointed. Now I just wanted to say a little quick something as well about our giveaway that we done a few months ago. We haven't forgot about it. It is in the works. We had to wait for Martin to actually collect his car, which he has done now. So we will be in talks with him soon in terms of building up a spec for his car, and we will be making a full video on that. So don't worry, we haven't forgot about it. We are doing that. We've just got to plan ahead and make sure that we're going to get the best build we can for him and understand what he uses the car for, and try and build something that's going to really help him and his lifestyle. And it just takes a little bit of planning. We just, because it's going to be a surprise for him, we don't want to just for him to say, oh yeah, I want this product, this product, this product. We want it to be special and not him expect something and then obviously come up and get that. So we want to just go above and beyond and just try and understand him and get the perfect build for him. So that is in the works, don't worry, you will see that video. He will be filming his journey from Czech Republic, which is like a 20-hour drive, something stupid like that. But he's so excited to come and meet us and bring us his car for us to work on, and we can't wait either. Now, before I do an outro to the video, I just want to say a big thanks to you guys, because without you guys and your support, we wouldn't be able to keep making these products and designing them and putting the money into basically producing these products for you guys. So thanks a lot for all your support so far, and we hope that obviously this continues and we can continue to make these amazing products for you guys and bring them to you. So please just continue for your support, because we really do appreciate it here at Hunters. The team love what we do and we love getting you guys in and having chats about your builds and how you're getting on with these products, and just all the feedback is much appreciated. So just keep it up, and yeah, just continue on doing what you're doing. That is it for this video, so make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.